Deputy Commissioner ke District East Jaintia Hills US Awasti. Haka jingkran ke jung la pentem, bahaka bede bat ke jing buat ke jing betha jok yang syari Meghalaya High Court. Ya ka kenhon ya trailang la thau, haka bagade ka kenhon ka lalit ban prano agi Karkhana snakok ki batrei bean haka ne district. Kadai ka kenhon ya trailang kadai ke badai hapo ke jing kmi jong subdivisional officer Manish Kumar ke bakan thup ru ki he na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban na katnat pulet. Bala batha baganit bat prano ya baro ki Karkhana snakok ki batrei klem dayo ka no ke jingbet haka ne district. Deputy Commissioner ulo angru ba khandru tli ki Karkhana snakok kede ki dalap ke district East Jaintia Hills. Haka ba kim shimlayo e kano ke jingbet kat kum ki an ki balabo da ke sarkar. Nagi ki khandru tli ki bamyo jingbet santli ki dai ki belada ban pra khamashwa. Naga bentak ki katwe tli pada ki berangsa lapha igi notice cheki ha ubnai risau jong kasnam arajar orpusan. Haga bala betha igi try jong ni Karkhana kok bakin a ya ka jingtip. Hatu kila yo ne me ka jingbet bakin pentrai ka me ki Karkhana ki jongki. Ndre amshim la yo jubat na ki try jong ni Karkhana. Kumta haga bede bagi jing betha jong ka yang syari Meghalaya High Court. La betha igi ne ka kanhun netre lang jogi bor ke bede khmi jong sarkar bakin ban prano igi ki kadwi tli ki Karkhana snakok ki bamshim la yo jingbet bat ki blatre kam bean. Kani kala sedang naduk ka khatlai terik uno pra arajar opsan haga bala sedang bat pra ya kini ki Karkhana kok ki balashna bean. Kada du benglayo ikane kubor kani ka kanhon kalala ban pra ya nyau tli na kini ki khatwe tli ki kok plan. Badi ki saut tli kedangsa kani ka kanhon kadang kami la ki dei ki blada pran em de ki trai jong ni Karkhana. Baru orang khatwe tli kini ki kok plan kidai gi betrekam klem dayo ekonom no jingbet long shosho Deputy Commissioner.
So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11 we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained the necessary permissions for regularization, and since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaintia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants, and for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.